What do I want my legacy to be?
I want to launch my legacy.
I want to my legacy.
The legacy that I plan for right now is that
Launching 2 legacies, not one.
What is a legacy?
A legacy is something incredible that only that individual can do.
Feeling stuck in life. Something was not letting me move ahead. In relationship, things not going right. Professionally, things not going right. And I didn't know what to do.
Excellence Installation Technology is the science of how to change the trajectory of someone's life.
After I did this up and I went back, relationships changed dramatically.
My sales skills have improved tremendous.
Now I feel very confident.
Imagine a guy or a girl who is age 20 making such fine adjustments in their life, developing capabilities, making the right decisions, having the braveness to do the right thing, and instead of 20 years, in 3 years, they arrive at a purposeful destination. That is the set of adjustments we do.
For last 1.5 years, I started realizing that things were already in me. They have already done this job, what they used to say, installation has been made. And I happened to see them, wow.
Figuring it out and making the changes is excellent installation technology.
Unless a person goes through this experience of meeting Antonio and Harini and going through the 6 days, I don't know how to explain that, but you want all your loved ones or whom you care for to go through this experience yourself, because you know what it has done for you.
This is the best gift I can give to my children to excel in life. And I cannot give any best gift other than this. That's what I told them.
We have done over 10,000 installations in 3,000 people's life, and we have seen how it has accelerated their destination. Things that they might have reached in 10-20 years, we've seen people reach it in 3 to 4 years.
And the ways and means and understanding and wisdom and confidence and power, what will I do now? And how many people I can affect? How many people? It's just like, the stream just flowing and getting into a river now.
Which adjustments will lead that person there? That's the Antonio and Harini way, and this entire technology of figuring it out and making the changes is excellence installation technology. With EIT, you can actually change the trajectory of one's life. So if their life is going like this, you make a certain set of adjustments, and over time, their life takes a new destination.
Okay, this is the direction I am waiting for now. I know that the flight has taken off. I want to know where is it going.